So today's Amazon pickup is to talk about this frame for my Insta360 X3. I was looking for a frame that was a little bit more thinner and lightweight and also less costly. The OEM one or the manufacturer one for Insta360 is a lot bulkier and it's also a lot more expensive. This one's about half the price and it's pretty light. You can see me here. I wanted to install it and it just slides in. My concern was, am I able to access the buttons for power? Am I able to access the charging port without having to take it out from the frame? You can see here too, it actually has magnetic flips to hold GoPro style mounts if needed. If you're not going to use the GoPro mount, you just have the regular quarter inch screw mount, like a tripod. Here I'm using the Insta360 selfie stick, the standard length, and it's this easy screw on. I also have this little light that I want to test out, and it has the shoe mount on the top and on the side. So you can do it there. You can also tripod mount or selfie stick mount. If I need to use it there, I also can put the light in a different spot on top. It just depends on how I'm going to be using the device, but I just wanted to have options. You can see me here putting on the top as well. So again, going to different locations. You also you can put a microphone, and so this is another option. Now the next point is that do I have accessibility to change my battery without taking out the frame? And accessing the power button is no problem, as you can see here. There's plenty of room to get my finger in there. Now you can see there's the spot for the charging port. I'm trying to see if I can access it. It took a couple flicks, but yes, I can access that. Now my last test is, can I change the battery? Can the battery come out if I need to hot swap it? And the answer is yes as well. So I could get access to there or also reach the SD card from there. So I think this is a great product. It'll add a little extra protection to Insta360 and also give you more capabilities of adding accessories on top. Very firm hold as well.
So strong.